How to Use a Semicolon by Gail Hart. Most people do not know how to properly use semicolons. So today I'm going to show you the two most common uses of semicolons. The two most common uses of semicolons are to separate items in a listing and to join two full sentences together. Before we get started, please be assured that semicolons are really easy to use. The first important use of the semicolon is when you have a listing with commas, such as the following sentence. I have visited the following places: Hartford, Connecticut, that's one group, and there's an internal comma within the group. Then Boston, Massachusetts. Then Los Angeles, California. And finally, Orlando, Florida. Instead, we can use a semicolon to break up the information into easily readable groupings of cities and states. So the revised sentence would read, I have visited the following places: Hartford, Connecticut, semicolon, that's one group. Then Boston, Massachusetts, semicolon, that's the next group. Then Los Angeles, California, that's the next group. And finally, Orlando, Florida. And if you'll notice, the revised sentence is much easier to read because you can see the groupings much easier because they're separated by the semicolon. The second popular use of a semicolon is for joining two complete sentences together. For example, my cat Jerry has a very bad habit. He likes to drink from the toilet. In this example, there are two complete sentences. The first sentence is, my cat Jerry has a very bad habit. The second sentence is, he likes to drink from the toilet. Separately, these two sentences are okay, but when combined, they have a much more powerful meaning and easier readability. We can join these two sentences with a semicolon. So my cat Jerry has a very bad habit, semicolon, that's the first sentence, and then he likes to drink from the toilet. The next video in this series will cover how to combine two sentences with a semicolon and a transitional word or phrase. Credits: written by Gail L. Hart, filmed by Gail L. Hart, edited by Gail L. Hart, and assisted by Jerry the cat. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Have a great day.